At UDOT, our world is all about keeping Utah moving safely. We're dedicated to using the best technology that helps drivers stay on the road. You know those video games where you had to cross the road and the other car's paths kept crossing your path? Well, it isn't nearly as fun in real life. In real life, when vehicles' pathways cross, you get a conflict point. The more conflict points there are, the higher the likelihood of a crash. And it's more than just intersections. Whenever a vehicle turns left or pulls out of a parking lot, or even anywhere it could drive across traffic, you have conflict points. And when the number of lanes increases, conflict points go up dramatically. Raised medians reduce conflict points by directing turning vehicles to specific locations along the roadway. By merging these pathways, you combine their conflict points, resulting in fewer distractions for drivers. On a busy road, drivers monitor conflict points from all directions. Too many conflict points make driving unpredictable and risky. By reducing conflict points, raised medians create a more predictable experience for drivers. Studies have shown that installing raised medians reduces crashes by 40%, making it one of the most effective safety features for today's roads. And while some believe that raised medians hamper business, research indicates that sales tax revenue actually increased in several areas where raised medians were installed. For decades, UDOT has worked with communities to determine the best location, design, and access needs for raised medians, giving drivers across Utah a safer and more predictable drive. One more example of how UDOT keeps Utah moving safely.